Today we're going to explore how to repair damaged skin, reduce dark spots, and minimize large pores using one simple ingredient that you likely already have in your kitchen. Potatoes. Potatoes are a natural, affordable, and effective solution for a variety of skin issues. They're rich in vitamins and antioxidants that can help you achieve clear, glowing skin. Let's begin by discussing why potatoes are so beneficial for your skin. Potatoes are packed with vitamin C, which plays a key role in collagen production and helps repair damaged skin. They also contain potassium, which keeps your skin hydrated, and antioxidants that help fight free radicals, slowing down the signs of aging. Potatoes are also great for all skin types, whether you have oily, dry, or combination skin. These simple DIY treatments will help you brighten dark spots, shrink large pores, reduce hyperpigmentation, and even out your skin tone. Potatoes' key benefits for skin. Brightening dark spots. The vitamin C in potatoes promotes skin cell regeneration, which helps fade dark spots. Minimizing pores. The cooling properties of potatoes help shrink large pores, making your skin look smoother. Fighting aging. Potatoes contain antioxidants that combat signs of aging like fine lines and wrinkles. Reducing hyperpigmentation. Regular use of potato-based treatments can reduce uneven skin tone and hyperpigmentation. Hydration. Potatoes help lock in moisture, keeping your skin soft and hydrated. Let's dive into the DIY potato treatments. 1. Potato slice rub for dark spots. This is a quick and easy treatment for fading dark spots. All you need is a fresh potato. Slice it thinly and rub it directly on the dark spots or areas of concern. Do this for about 5 minutes, ensuring the potato juice is being absorbed into your skin. The enzymes in the potato will naturally exfoliate your skin and help lighten those spots over time. You can do this every day for the best results. It's simple, effective, and requires no fancy ingredients. 2. Potato yogurt face mask for moisture and blemish control. If you're looking for a hydrating face mask that also targets blemishes, this potato and yogurt mask is perfect for you. Potatoes help with brightening the skin, while yogurt adds moisture and soothes any irritation. To make the mask, grate a small potato and mix it with 2 tablespoons of plain yogurt. Stir it into a smooth paste and apply it evenly over your face. Leave the mask on for 15 to 20 minutes before washing it off with lukewarm water. Use this mask twice a week, and you'll start seeing noticeable results in terms of smoother, brighter, and clearer skin. 3. Potato ice cubes to minimize pores. If large pores are your main concern, potato ice cubes are an excellent solution. The cooling effect of frozen potato juice not only helps tighten your pores but also boosts circulation, giving your skin a healthy glow. To make potato ice cubes, blend a potato and strain out the juice. Pour the juice into an ice cube tray and freeze it. Once frozen, take 1 cube and gently rub it over your face, focusing on areas with larger pores. The cold will help reduce pore size and refresh your skin. You can do this every morning as part of your skincare routine. Over time, you'll notice your pores looking smaller and your skin feeling more firm. 4. Potato and lemon juice toner for hyperpigmentation. Hyperpigmentation, or dark patches on the skin, can be a challenge to treat, but potatoes combined with lemon juice can be a powerful remedy. Lemon juice contains citric acid, which helps brighten the skin, while potato juice soothes and repairs it. To make this toner, mix equal parts of potato juice and lemon juice. Apply the mixture to the areas affected by hyperpigmentation using a cotton pad. Leave it on for 15 minutes before rinsing it off with cool water. This treatment is best used in the evening because lemon juice can make your skin more sensitive to sunlight. Use it regularly, and over time you'll see those dark patches lighten up. 5. Potato juice rinse for daily skin cleansing. If you're looking for a natural cleanser to remove impurities and dead skin cells, try a simple potato juice rinse. It's gentle, effective, and can be used every day to keep your skin fresh and rejuvenated. To make this rinse, blend a potato and strain the juice. Rinse your face with the juice, massaging it into your skin for a few minutes. Afterward, wash your face with cool water. The potato juice will cleanse your skin, removing excess oil, dirt, and dead cells, while leaving your skin feeling soft and fresh. Incorporate this into your daily routine for clearer, brighter skin. 6. Potato and Rose Water Toner for sunburn and anti-aging. Sunburn and aging signs like wrinkles and fine lines can leave your skin looking dull and tired. A potato and rose water toner is an excellent remedy for soothing sunburned skin and reducing signs of aging. The cooling effect of potato combined with the anti-inflammatory properties of rose water makes this toner incredibly refreshing. To make the toner, mix potato juice with rose water. Apply it to your face with a cotton pad. You can keep this toner in the fridge for an extra cooling effect. Use it whenever your skin feels irritated or as part of your daily skincare routine to fight the signs of aging and keep your skin looking fresh and youthful. We've covered several amazing potato-based skincare treatments today. Whether you want to reduce dark spots, shrink large pores, brighten your complexion, or even out hyperpigmentation, potatoes are a versatile and affordable option that can help you achieve healthier, glowing skin. Remember, consistency is key with these treatments. It may take a few weeks of regular use before you start seeing noticeable results, so stick with it and your skin will thank you. Give these remedies a try and let us know how they worked for you in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to our channel for more natural beauty tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.